So in this video, I will show you the new ways on how to add background color in CapCut PC. After you open the CapCut, right click on your video that you want to add background color to it. So let's say I want to add background color to this video. I will right click on the video. So go to copy. So now click on the timeline above the video, right click and paste it. So now I duplicated the video. So now make sure the first video and the second video are in the same position. So take this one, make sure they are aligned in the same in the center. So now select the first video, disable its tracking. So after you disable the first video, select the second video, go to this remove bg, auto remove. So after you remove the background of the second video, go and unhide the first video, select the first video, go to basic, scroll to down and check on this canvas. After you check on the canvas, click on the arrow beside the canvas. So click on this option, go to color, scroll to down. So click on this arrow, so scroll to down and choose the color you want to use. So for me, I want to use, let's say, this green color. So after you select the color you want to use, so go to this mask, so go to up, add mask. So here is the color. So now select this rectangle, scroll to down and click on this reverse. So now take this arrow to back. So now here is the color. If you want to change the color, just select this second video. After you just select the first video, this one, and go to this basic, scroll to down. So here you'll be able to see different color. So you can go ahead and choose the color you want to use for your video. And that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe.